Round of applause. Now let me address our grade 6 graduates. Congratulations. You have reached a significant milestone, and I'm so proud of the hard work and dedication you've shown throughout your years with us here at NCF. As you move forward, but remember, this is not goodbye, because we expect you to move forward with us here at the Naga College Foundation. Remember to embrace the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Your journey is just beginning, and I have no doubt that you will achieve. And true to yourselves, your values and character are what will guide you through life's journey. Never forget the lessons and friendships you have gained here with us at the Naga College Foundation. You are a part of a special community, and I am confident that you will make a positive impact on the world. Finally, I want to express my sincere gratitude to the parents, teachers, and staff who have supported you along the way. Your dedication and commitment, our dear teachers and parents, have made a real difference on our graduates and completers. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. May your path be filled with joy, success, and happiness. Again, congratulations.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable school administrators, esteemed guest speaker, dedicated Alumni Association President, respected teachers, proud parents, and beloved classmates. Today is a day of celebration, reflection, and gratitude. We have finally made it. We are standing at the finish line of our grade school journey, ready to take the next big step in our lives. Looking back, it feels like just yesterday, when we first walked through the doors of our school as wide-eyed kids, unsure of what lay ahead. But today, as we stand here as graduates, we are filled with pride and joy for how far we have come. Being a student at this school has been an incredible journey, filled with challenges, growth, and unforgettable experiences. As the PGO president, I had the privilege to lead and serve my fellow students. Was competing in the National Robotics Competition in Baguio City, representing our school in a national level. Was both exciting and nerve-wracking. The long hours of training, the moments of frustrations when things didn't go as planned, but the pressure of the competition were all part of the journey. But through it all, we learned so much. Problem solving, creativity, and resilience. The experience showed us that with dedication and passion, we could achieve great things. Of course, our journey was not without challenges. There were tough exams that made us question our abilities, projects that tested our patience, and moments when we felt overwhelmed. But through determination, the guidance of our teachers, and the support of our families and friends, we push forward, and today, we celebrate our success together. Beyond the medals, awards, and achievements, what truly matters are the friendships we have built, the lessons we've learned, and the memories we've created. Every laugh shared, every lesson learned, and every challenge overcome have shaped us into the individuals we are today. To our teachers, thank you for your unwavering patience, wisdom, and guidance. You have not only taught us lessons from books, but also valuable lessons in life. To our parents, your endless support and sacrifices have been the foundation of our success. We would not be here without you. And to my fellow graduates, congratulations! We have conquered grade school, and now we are ready to take on the new challenges in junior high.